Hello guys, good afternoon. Yes guys, today's video guys is about aguinaldo. Yes, and this aguinaldo is, someone or the company will give you for Christmas, and I would like to show you guys the things that we got. Okay, yes guys, so these are the things we got. So the first one is we have these chocolate guys, almond chocolate. As in na, ang dami niyang almond guys. Yeah, covered with chocolate. And also this one is, they call it turon. Yes guys, so this is also almond. Yeah, but this one is in like crema. Turon is like almond paste guys, with sugar, something like that. Yes, and we also have this one guys. This one is salami, whole salami, so you have to cut it if you want to eat. And they also have this small soap, yeah, hand soap guys. And we also have this tuna, and we also have this goat cheese guys, which is really good. Yep. And we also have this vegan calzots. So calzot guys is onion leeks. Yeah, so this is pate, onion leeks in pate guys. So this is a vegan. I'm sure this is really good, this pate. And we also have this marmalade of fig, black fig it says. Yes. So we have also these how do you call this? This is alcohol guys. This is liquor, and it look, it has 17% volume of alcohol, and this is made from our town. And we also have this olive oil, wow, which is so nice. Yes, this is extra virgin olive oil, 100%. And we have also this guys, big stickos guys, with chocolate, some parts with chocolate and some parts without. And we also have another one here, like biscuits guys. This one is biscuits with chocolate as well. Yes, let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's like this guys, but I want to show you, in person. in real. Yes, so it's like this. And we have 4 bottles of wine, of course, and this liquor we have 5 in total. Alcohol we have 5. So we have these red wine, another red wine here, and this one is white. As you can see, it's so transparent, you can really see. And we have this champagne. Yes, and we have this panettone, which is really good guys. We have this panettone. Wow, yummy. I think this one is with orange skin, and also raisins. Yes guys. And yes guys, they gave also some like materials like water bottle, umbrella, notebook, and or computer or laptop case. Yes guys, or protector, something like that, and cap, and also bonnet because it's cold here right now. What else did they give? I think that's all. Yes guys. Okay guys, so let me keep this bottle of wines here to the collection. Yes. I hope Lakota won't take them. I hope Lakota won't take them or touch them, guys. I'm scared. And this one, liquor. Yes, guys. So, yan na, guys, yung mga wines namin. Because we are not drinking, guys, as you know that I am breastfeeding Lakota. So, we have this liquor as well. Or, yes, whiskey. We have this whiskey. Yes. So guys, let's try it. This one, okay? And it's so crunchy, guys. Yummy. Kain tayo, guys. Come and help. So that's all, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed, guys. Please like it. If you like it, guys, my videos, it helps me a lot. Yes, thank you so much. And comment or share. And yes, guys, don't forget, guys, also to click that bell button so you won't miss any video of me or of us. And yes, I wish you a Merry Christmas, everyone, and hope to see you again next time. Bye.